Why do 70% of aspiring techies feel stuck? It's time to break free and thrive. Today, women represent only 28% of the tech workforce, with even fewer women of color holding these positions. This underrepresentation is real and affects how we shape the future of technology. But studies show that women in tech who have mentors are 86% more likely to stay in the field, thriving with guidance and support. With Feminine Techie, you're never alone. From career placement and training to personalized mentorship, the Feminine Techie provides real hands-on support. Our AI-powered mentorship system is designed to help you set goals, track progress, and guide you through every step of your journey. Whether you're coding your first app or climbing the corporate ladder, we've got your back every step of the way. Discover how technology can enhance your personal and professional life, boosting your confidence and skills. Take our quiz on the website to determine which path to take. Download our free mini workbook to get started. Explore our courses designed to help you grow in your chosen path. From a training cohort to advanced AI training, we offer a variety of courses to suit your needs. At the Feminine Techie, we believe community is everything. By creating a network of driven women and dedicated mentors, we're not just helping women get a foot in the door, we're building a strong foundation for lifelong success. Plus, our career placement services will help you land your dream job. Visit our website to find the packages of Feminine Techie training cohorts. Start with our basic packages, intermediate packages, specialized packages, advanced packages, and subscription-based packages. And don't forget to check out our Feminine Techie Planner for a structured and organized approach to your tech journey. Imagine a space where your goals align with actionable support, a space that propels you forward in tech. Click the link in our bio and take the next step toward your tech career dreams. We're here to bridge the gap, amplify your potential, and make sure no woman ever feels alone on her journey in tech. Get started today. Your future in tech begins here.